Are you ready? Let's go! A says, apple. A is for apple, apple. B says, ball. B is for ball, ball. C says, cat. C is for cat, cat. D says, dog. D is for dog. E says, elephant. E is for elephant, F says, fish. F is for fish, for fish. G says, goat. G is for goat. H says, hat. H is for hat. I says, igloo. I is for igloo. Igloo. J says, jelly. J is for jelly. K is for kite. K is for kite. L says, lion. L is for lion. M says, monkey. N is for monkey. N says, nest. N is for nest. O says, orange. O is for orange. And he says, panda. P is for panda. He says, queen. Q is for queen. R says, rabbit. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. Sun. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U says, umbrella. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. Is for violin. V the violin. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for xylophone. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y says, yak. Y is for yak. Yak. Zebra. Now we know our phonics sounds. Sing them loud and clear.
One sun in the sky.
O-N-E, one tongue.
Two cute shoes.
T-W-O, two.
Three buzzing bees.
T-H-R-E-E, three. Four, open doors. F-O-U-R, four on. Five, jumping frogs. F-I-V-E, five on. Six, colorful bricks.
S-I-X, six.
Seven, flying kites. S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight, yummy grapes. E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine, bouncing balls. N-I-N-E, nine. Ten, little hens. T-E-N, 10.
111, let's spell them too.
11, let's spell. E-L-E-E-E and 11.
1, 2, 12, it's fun.
T-W-E-L-V-E, 12.
1, 3, 13, hop.
T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13.
1, 4, 14, jump and stop.
F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14.
1,
5, 15, clap your hands. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15.
1,
6, 16, let's run fast. S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. 1, 7, 17, touch the sky. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-E-N, 17. 1, 8, 18, wave goodbye. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. 9, 19,
stomp your feet.
N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. 2, arrow 20, hooray, we're neat. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20.
Great job, kids, you spelled with me.
See you next time, keep